Hi guys, Dan here with Dan's world famous ugly birdhouses, and Chico and I are here to tell you it's almost 4th of July time. So, what is more patriotic than a fireworks show and a wife beater tank top with a bald eagle on it? A Dan's world famous ugly birdhouse, or a squirrel feeder. So, these will shine bright every night, and you don't have to worry about it burning your house down or anything. So do the most patriotic thing this 4th of July for me and Chico and buy a Dan's world famous ugly birdhouse. They're still just $15. And like us on Facebook. Chico.